Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the tempo on a Stylophone beat. And these will be super easy instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Stylophone beat. I recently got this and I've been having a blast fooling around with it. I've only played it for probably about half an hour, to be honest with you, and I made a couple of really cool beats, but I love it, and I feel like I'm going to be spending so many hours using this thing in the next, several years. So one of the things in terms of a tutorial that I wanted to show you is very basic, and it's adjusting the tempo, okay? So it's very simple. I'm going to turn the unit on. As you can see, we've turned it on. I'm going to grab the stylus, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the volume maybe just a little bit lower so I can talk over it. Even though I have a loud voice, I don't want to have that constant clicking trying to go over my voice. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the metronome. So I'm going to go to play, and I'm going to go to click, and now we have the metronome. Okay, I'm going to turn it up a bit actually. So now, as you can hear, we have the metronome. You want to adjust the tempo? Very, very simple. You take this tempo knob over here, and you can bring it down to slow it down, or you can bring it up to make it faster. Very, very simple. Okay? Slow it down, make it faster. That is the knob that you're using, and it literally says tempo, and you just have to rotate it. Very simple. That's all. Now what we'll do is we'll just put a very simple beat. I'm just gonna literally just do this. It's not gonna be a good beat. Like I said, I'm just doing this quickly. Okay, I'm not even very familiar with what each pad does yet. I sort of experiment with it, but right now we're recording, so I'm just gonna make a simple beat. Okay, and I am a drummer, so it might be okay, but we'll make a simple beat. Woo, yeah! Wait for it. I don't even know what this pad is. We're just guessing. Woo! Feeling that. Okay, this ended up not being a good beat, to be honest with you. I thought it was going to be okay. It started off good. Threw a little too much in there, but even with the beat not being the best, let's just leave the stylus. It's fine. Listen to it. Using the tempo knob to adjust it. Slower and faster. That's it. We're going to turn this off. That's enough of that beat, okay? Anyways, you get the idea. That is how to do it. I've shown you basically in great detail how to do something very simple, but I really, really wanted to explain every aspect of it. Hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, but other than that, I've got nothing else for you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.